If you're looking for extra loud alarm clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 extra loud alarm clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Sonic Alert. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Unique. Number 3, by Quanwa. For more details about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Peakeep. Number 5, by Agalia. Find these extra loud alarm clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Ryzen. Number 7, by Sonic Alert. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9, by Shpuat. Discover more extra loud alarm clocks ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Sultan.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.
If you're looking for extra loud alarm clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 extra loud alarm clocks.